to African drum lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the third class of other Resemble. The first beat is tone bass, left side slap, tone bass, tone. But we are going to play it half. The first half is tone bass, left side slap. Now let's try it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second half is tone bass, tone. Now let's try it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the beats together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the third part of Other Resemble. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.